What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video I got you guys another airdrop alert, and this is probably gonna be my biggest one so far because my last ones are pretty under the radar, which is good. But this one is Tensor, and this is an NFT platform on Solana. Okay, so you know it's gonna be good because we know Solana is one of the best places for NFTs. And yeah, this is the biggest one in terms of like money and people. Not the It's kind of like in the middle, but it's definitely one to look into to farm. And I'm going to show you guys here exactly what to do to get points. And you guys, I've been saying this all the time. When a project that has points, a point system, that's basically a guarantee that they're going to have an airdrop, right? That is a good green signal that they're going to have an airdrop, and it's legit, and it's worth, farming. It's worth doing it. And this one is gonna be a little bit more step by step. I'm gonna show you guys here step by step how this project works and what to do. Okay. And again, if you guys want to join my Patreon, it's only $8 a month. You guys can do one-on-one. I also keep you guys up to date on all the airdrop claims and everything. So let's get started here with Tensor. So as you guys know, Tensor is an NFT platform on Solana. They still don't have a token out yet, but as we can see, this is their website, and I'm going to leave all the links in the description and pinned comment, the official links. Okay, they're all going to be down below. It should say Tensor.trade. Well, if I go right there, but if you go to their homepage, it's Tensor.trade. I guess this is their homepage. But let me explain this to you guys right over here. So this is how you earn rewards. Okay, I'm going to go right here to the reward system, earn points. All right, so right here at the top, okay, it's gonna say loyalty, referrals, points, and boost. Okay, and loyalty is very important. Basically what this means right here, loyalty, it basically means that after you connect your Solana wallet, which you guys should already have a Solana wallet, you just come up here and you connect it. Okay, connect your Solana wallet, and you want to make sure that this wallet that you're using for Tensor, you're not minting or posting other NFTs on other NFT platforms within Solana. Okay, because if you do, your loyalty is going to go down. So for example, let's say this wallet, you're going to mint something on Magic Eden, it's going to pick up that and your loyalty is going to go down. So just something to look into, which is going to affect the airdrop. There are 3 ways to earn points, and out of the 3, guys, there's only one that's worth it. So please pay attention, because I'm going to show you guys here step by step. This could be a very profitable airdrop. But out of the 3, there's only one that I'm doing, and I think everyone probably is going to, it should do the same, because I'm going to show you guys right here the 3, and the last one is going to be the best one, which is the one that I'm doing. So first one is going to be list NFTs. Now you can say, okay, listing an NFT, I could do that, right, sir? But the thing is, it has to be in the top 100 collections. And you do that, you find the top 100 collections by going right here to collections, and you look right here, you see 1, 2, 3, the top 100. So if you have one in the top 100, I mean, I guess some of these are pretty cheap, right? Like this one. So, it might not be bad to do, but if you have one already in the top 100 that you own, or you could buy one right now, basically the way that you earn points for this strategy is you list it and you earn points as long as that it is in a listing. After you list it, okay, after it gets bought, you're not earning points anymore. So it has to stay as listed, like you're selling it. Okay. So that's one of the ways to earn points, which I might do it if I buy one in the top 100, but we'll see. The next one, which is definitely one that I don't recommend either, is the market make NFTs, top 100 collections only again. Okay, and this one's more complicated. It's more with liquidity, start market making. Only orders on a Tensor account. The more you market make, the more you earn. Market making, more active collections. So this one's more complicated, and it's definitely not for someone that doesn't have a lot and is just looking to put a little bit into this airdrop farming. So definitely not one to look into, in my opinion. And the last one's the best one and the easiest one, in my opinion, which is bid on NFTs. And basically how this one works, it's the opposite of listing an NFT that you own. it's bidding for one that you don't own. And it has to be in the top 100 collections. So what you do, guys, I'm going to show you guys here on what to do to start earning points just simply by bidding on NFTs. And essentially what you're doing is you're creating liquidity. So when you bid on NFT, you're creating liquidity. Same thing with listing it, right? That's why when it's done, like when you buy it or when you sell it, you're not earning points anymore. You have to be still bidding every single day to earn points or have it as listed. Okay, so the key thing is here to not be at the top of, when you're about to sell it or buy it. And I'm going to show you guys right here how to do it. So like I said, connect your wallet. Second step, you want to deposit. So right here, you can deposit how much you have from your wallet. So you want to put a little bit of Solana, right? You can deposit how much ever you want. Here in the collections page, we can see right here the top 100. And obviously you want to click on one that you might find interesting and that it is around your price that you have worth of Solana. We'll check this one out because this one is pretty low price. So this one, you click on it. After you click on it, oh yeah, another thing I forgot to say, guys, is right here at the bottom, you wanna change this from light to pro. Okay, change this from light to pro, and then next step, I should have said this in the beginning, but this is gonna help you earn even more points. After you change it from light to pro, you're gonna go right here in the settings. Okay, app settings, and please pay attention because this is very, very important to give you more points. In the settings, you want to click on use shared escrow for bids. Okay, basically this is gonna give you more points for your bids. And I know it could look a little bit overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner, but don't worry, I'm gonna guide you here. So after you click on the NFT that you guys want to bid for, you want to click on place collection bid. Okay, but before that, let's take a look. You want to take a look here at the bids, so you can see how the bids. You can see the bids here around 15, 015, 016. And what you want to do, guys, is you want to put your bid not at the top and not all the way at the bottom. Because basically the way that this is set up is you earn more points based on how closer it is to the floor price. You see what I'm saying? So the floor price is like the cheapest NFT that you get it for, which right now the floor price for this is, I can't even see it right now. I don't know. I think it's like 0.15 around there. So you don't want to put it too close to the floor price to where it gets bought up super quick. You want to put it somewhere in the middle. Okay, so right here, place collection bid, and you can see right here, you can play around with it, you can test it out. So you can do something like this. Okay, so I could do it right there. So as long as it said bid on one NFT, then you're good to go for the bid. Okay, even if it's super low, right? So I can see right here, I'm going super low, 0.5, 0.4. So look, as soon as I put right there 0.04, you can't place this too low. Okay, because it says right here, the bid will not draw funds from your escrow beyond, and you want to place it. So right here, 0. But 0. The thing is, if you put it too low, you're not gonna earn as much points as if you put higher. But you don't want it to put it too higher so it doesn't go through. So you stay in the bids. You see what I'm saying? Because you only earn points by staying in the bids. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna put it around 9. I think this will be good because it's not too high, right? It's just perfect right in the middle. Bid on one NFT. You're gonna click right there, bid. Then you're gonna click right here. Okay, so right there, order complete. But if it doesn't say order complete, sometimes it just says that, but it did actually go through. And to check your bids, guys, next step to see, okay, did it go through, did it not? To check it, you click right here, and then you click on orders and bids. You see that right there, orders and bids, and then you should see your bids right here. This is also where you can also cancel it. You click right here to cancel it if you're looking to cancel. But this is where your bids are at, okay? And you can see if they went through, if they didn't. But what you want to do, guys, is every day, right? You want to, because these NFTs are super volatile, so you want to check every day if your bid actually went through or if it's higher in the bid section. If it is higher, then I would cancel it and then create a new bid to stay in the middle, because you want to stay having your bid, okay? because that's the way that you're gonna earn points. You see what I'm saying? So this is my opinion the best way to earn points for this airdrop. Okay, the other way is minting an NFT, but again, like I said, you got to actually buy it. You got to buy an NFT in the top 100 and list it. All right, and there's another way here, guys, to earn a lot of points, but this one, in my opinion, is a really big entry in terms of price. But Tensor has their own NFT project. Like they actually right here, Tensorians, and I'm gonna show you right here, Tensorians. You click right here on referrals, right? And to refer others, you see right here, I can't give you guys a referral because to refer others, you need to have at least one Tensorian, which is an NFT that they have. Okay, and you got to stake at least one Tensorian because I think you earn points by staking it as well, and you'll be able to refer others. Okay, but the question is, all right, well, this Tensorian, how much is one NFT, right? How do you buy? Obviously, you buy it here, but how much is one NFT? Let's actually search it right here. Tensor. Right here. Okay, I think I found it. I found it, guys. Tensor. So right here. So this is their project right here, and you can see that it is literally over 111 Solana. That's a lot right now, right? Solana, I believe right now is above $90. So that's $90 times 111 for one NFT. So that is a lot, right? And I would not expect someone, a beginner, to buy one of these NFTs for this. But, you know, I'm just showing you guys here another way to earn points because you can stake it. I'm pretty sure you earn points by staking it and also by the referrals. So that's just another way, guys, right here, Tensorians. You can see right here, swap, a stake. So that's another way, but like I said, I think the best way is to put a bid in or to mint to list the NFT that's in the top 100. All right, and I actually might do that. I might buy one of these very low NFTs here in terms of price and list it. But guys, that's how you do it. In my opinion, what I like to do is I like to create a tab and put all my airdrops websites in there, and then I have it all in one place. But that is the Tensor. I'll keep you guys up to date when the claim date is. Okay. And again, if you guys want to join my Patreon, it's only $8 a month. You have access to me, to other people in there. I keep you guys up to date, and you also get a free indicator. That is part of my 3 indicators. So that's how you guys do it. Again, don't forget to check out my airdrop playlist. I have a playlist of all the airdrop videos. I've been making an airdrop video literally every day because there's so much airdrops going on right now, and you guys don't want to miss this out. You guys can make thousands of dollars in 2024 from these airdrops. So don't miss this out, guys. Definitely put the notification bell, follow me on X, join the Patreon, and yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.